Now, download any protein. And we can see data profile of protein. Now, download any protein. And we can see data profile of protein. We can see the protein in 3D format, which is with the 2 protein units and water molecule ligand and other impurities. Now, extract the protein, then open it in the Discovery Studio. It is a free software. Now open the protein, then delete the water molecule and the ligands. The steps involved. You can see it on the screen and delete the 1 protein monomer. We need only 1 molecule for molecular docking. Now, delete the 1 protein unit and save the protein in PDB format. Now, save the ligand molecule in PDB format. Now, save the ligand in the PDB format. Thank you for watching video and subscribe for more.